We just arrived at North River Provincial Park and we're here today to hike to the big North River Falls, which we've not been since 2021 when there was a big rainstorm. Took out a bridge, took out a bunch of sections of the trail. So we're here today to see what that looks like and see if we can get to the falls. There's also another trail here, which is about 50 minutes long. It takes you to lower North River Falls, but today we're doing the big one. Big Falls. Off to a great start. They also have a really nice picnic area, just if you're passing by and you want to stop in a nice spot. This way? Sure. Ooh, slippery. Caution. Pretty sure this was here last time we came across it. I've heard that this section might actually have a new bridge. So where it says detour, we're gonna go the old way, which might be the new way now. Wow, that looks brand new. Is anybody missing a North Face booty? That looks in good shape. Made it to this gorgeous little first river break. Gobi's hot. Wow. That is crazy. It's quite a big section that's been washed out, but there's already a new path that kind of leads you through the side of it. Oh, this part's bad. You see a little bit of tape right there. So up until this point, I've managed to keep my feet dry, but this might be the end of that. Yeah. Easy. I'm almost positive it's over that way. So we're gonna cross again. I just got across and didn't get my feet wet through that. Whoa. Very pleased. Come on. Yeah, there you go. That's it. Okay. We got it. Let's go. That wasn't bad at all. We're here. I was about, let's see. Oh, just over 2 hours to get here with like a run, shuffle / filming, running back and forth. And just over 9 kilometers. I forget how massive this thing is. Celebrating with some milk bones. Just had a nice little break here, and now for the bonus hike, which goes up to the top, way up there. There's a little hidden trail. It's flagged, you won't miss it, but it's definitely worth it. It's maybe an extra half an hour, maybe an hour. I'd say maybe an hour. So there's the waterfall there, and it's up this way. Pretty well flagged, so you shouldn't miss it. For the most part, the trail's been pretty flat. This part's really steep. So we're gonna come out to a little junction. It's like snowmobile ATV trails, but we're gonna go right to the view. That's so epic. That took 10 minutes. 10 minutes to get up here. So actually like a half hour might be more realistic. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Definitely check out this trail. There's just that one river crossing that could be kind of sketchy if there was a lot of rain, but other than that, this trail is fine. And I use an app called maps.me, and it has the trail on there. You can download it offline and use that to help if you do get a little lost. And I also have the GPS track from this trip. You can download that for free off our website. Thanks for watching. Bye.